Namaskaram, dear all. Greetings from Pramayas. Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy, simply Sugandhi for friends and dear ones, is the proud daughter of Srimati K. Rajalakshmi and Sri K. S. Krishnamurthy from Chennai. Trained in Karnataka Sangeetam from her very young age of 5 years at Palakkad, Kerala. Her first guru was the popular name of Palakkad, Srimati Angachi Mami, who taught the toddler Sugandhi, Varnams and a few Kirtanams. Angachi Mami, noticing a bright spark in the young and talented girl, decided to skip the entire of the startup exercises of Abhyasa Ganam like the Sarali Varisais, etc., customized the beginning portions and directly launched Sugandhi into Varnam level. Wow! Sugandhi's next level guru, Srimati Shyamala Gopala Krishnan, trained her for about 4 years plus, with many more Varnams and Kirtanams, coupled with Manodharma aspect, shaped and launched the young girl into a well-doing stage performer. Later, to advance the music skills, Sugandhi Shri learnt from Srimati Janaki Venugopal for about 2 years many complex kritis, rare ragams, Neravel, Swarakalpana techniques, etc. By then she was 11. She is also fortunate to have been taught by Vidwan Srivanchyam Sri Mani Iyer, disciple of the legendary Madurai Sri Mani Iyer, and was also trained for about 2 years by Srimati Gomati Vembu Iyer, mother of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Vidwan Sri T.V. Shankaranarayanan. Sugandhi Shri further honed her concert skills and higher level of music under Srimati Neela of Salem and disciple of Vidwan Salem Shri G. Deshikan. She was fortunate to be spotted and trained by Sangeeta Kalanidhi Padma Bhushan Guru Sri T.V. Gopala Krishnan during the period from 1991 to 92. She took interest in composing both lyrics and music right since her college days. Till now, she has composed more than 50 Urupadis in praise of various deities. A list of few of her compositions are being flashed now in this documentary for posterity. Sugandhi Shri also learnt from her flautist father a number of devotional songs of the famous Sirgari Sri Govindarajan and Sulamangalam sisters. She also plays on the veena, guitar and keyboard and have secured several prizes in the instrumental music too. In fact, she has been a consistent winner of various prizes and awards right from her childhood, school and college days. She has been performing concerts since the young age of 7 and performed widely at various venues of Palakkad, Coimbatore, Salem, Erode, Chennai, regularly at Tiruvayur Sadguru Sri Tyagaraja Swami Aradhana festivals, and at various other places, including a few foreign venues. Young Sugandhi Sri tuned and recited Skanda Sashti Kavacham in a Trayodasha Raga Malika comprising 13 ragas, and teamed up with her sister Miss K. Lalita Rani for a few more devotional songs penned and tuned by her, recorded a music album which was released during the year 1990 in a befitting function chaired by the legendary playback singer Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, who was immensely appreciative of Sugandhi's music skills and creativity. Srimati Vani Jayaram, another legendary musician who was also present in the function, spoke very high of young Sugandhi and her willingness to sing together in future projects. Wow, that is really superb. Apart from composing music and performing, she is equally good at writing poems both in English and Tamil, and have published far and wide internationally her English poems. She was a member for 2 consecutive years in the International Society for Poets, and for her poetical excellence, she was awarded with the Best Poet Trophy in the year 2005 at USA. Equally sound and studious in academics, Sugandhi Sri secured first rank in a degree course from Sri Sharada College for Women in Salem. She went on to do her Masters in Commerce from the University of Madras and MBA from Vinayaga Mission University. She is also a certified accounting technician from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Sugandhi Sri worked for MNCs, World Bank, Price Waterhouse, etc. and in IT field as functional consultant for product development. She has around 2 decades plus of work experience in various senior positions. To address family and work commitments, Sugandhi Sri took a sabbatical and resumed the music again. She has also been teaching music for about past 13 years. Pramayas welcomes Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy and you all to listen to her launch interactive recital as a first such entirely of her own compositions on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, the best opportunity to mark the launching of Pramaya's Adhunika Rachayitra repository, that is, a repository of the compositions by and the recitals of recent composers, as a documentary effort by us today on the 5th July of 2020. Hope you all enjoy the recital and interaction. Thanks, and with best of our wishes, over to Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy and dear all. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram to everyone. I am Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy from Chennai. I feel honored to be featuring as an inaugural performer for Pramaya's Adhunika Rachayitra repository page as a live program in Pramaya's Musically Yours Facebook page and in YouTube channel Premier Live Pramayas. I am highly grateful to Sri Yagiraman sir for giving me this platform, a wonderful opportunity to present my compositions. Thank you, sir. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदः वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदः. It is Guru Purnima. My humble namaskarams, Kodi namaskarams to all the Sadgurus and great Mahans, and my humble pranams to all my Gurus from whom I am blessed and fortunate to learn the Carnatic music from the childhood. With their blessings, I am able to sing and compose music. Once again, my pranams to all my Gurus. I feel very blessed to present my compositions on these Mahans and Sadgurus. As a first prayers, I would like to present my composition on Maha Periyava Kanchikamakodu Periyava in the Ragam Natai. This composition I wrote this year on the day of Manusha Jayanti, recently held. I just prayed before writing this composition that I should be able to write this with the blessings of Maha Periyava, and I was able to write this in around 10 minutes time, only with the absolute grace of Maha Periyava. Thank you. First, now I will present this composition on Maha Periyava. Maha Periyava Padam Panindin Maha Periyava Padam Panindin Maha Periyava Padam Panindin Pannisayil Arpanam Seyde Sri 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 Maha Periyava காஞ்சி மகான் நடமாடும் தெய்வம் காஞ்சி மகான் நம்மை வழி நடத்தும் உயர் சத்குரு பெரியவா 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 மகா பெரியவா பாதம் பணிந்தே பள்ளிசையில் அர்ப்பணம் செய்து ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா கடை கண் பார்வை கடை கண் பார்வை ஒன்றே போதும் கடை கண் பார்வை ஒன்றே போதும் கோடி அனுகிரகம் மாசி நல்கும் கடை கண் பார்வை ஒன்றே போதும் கோடி அனுகிரகம் ஆசி நல்கும் சர்வக்ஷேமமாய் சர்வக்ஷேமமாய் வாழ வாழ்த்தும் சர்வக்ஷேமமாய் வாழ வாழ்த்தும் சர்வக்ஷேமமாய் வாழ வாழ்த்தும் சர்வக்ஷேமமாய் வாழ வாழ்த்தும் பிரத்யக்ஷ அவதார மகாபுருஷ ஸ்ரீ பிரத்யக்ஷ அவதார மகாபுருஷ ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா பாரம் பணிந்தே பள்ளிசையில் அர்ப்பணம் செய்து ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா பாதம் பணிந்தே பள்ளிசையில் அர்ப்பணம் செய்து ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா பாதம் பணிந்தே பாதம் பணிந்தே I have received a question from Devika M. Nair from Calcutta. Over to her.
Namaskaram ma'am. I am Devika M. Nair from Kolkata. I have been practicing both Bharatanatyam and Carnatic vocal and have taken part in a few events too. It is very interesting to know about your composing talents, and we understand that you started learning music as a young girl of 5 years of age. We wish to know if you remember any of the interesting events that happened during your childhood days of learning and having taken part in events, competitions and so on. Also, when and how did your composing journey start? The first such event? If you could touch upon this, please. Thank you so much, ma'am. Namaskaram.
Hi Devika, nice hearing from you. This is an interactive session. I have received the question from you, a very interesting question, which I would like to answer. You've asked me, just share with us any childhood experience since you have learned from 5 years Carnatic music. Yes, very interesting thing which I remember about an event music competition which I attended. I think when I was in my 5th standard. It took place in Palakkad, where I learned music during my childhood days. In Palakkad town hall, it was a inter-state music competition, just not inter-school. So all over the schools from Kerala state, I think they have participated in the music competition in district town hall, Palakkad, where I received the first prize. I bagged the first prize in the junior category, and I felt immensely happy in receiving that. I used to get the first prize, secure the first prize in many other competitions also during those days as a child in the junior category. This prize was announced, and they gave us a date on which we can come and receive the prize. You know from whom I am asked to receive the prize. I was asked to receive the prize. It is Dr. Kamal Haasan at that age. When I was in my 5th standard, he must be very young, around 20 or 25, I know. So I was so thrilled and very happy to receive the prize from him. And they made us to come in the morning itself around 9 o'clock. So a lot of students were there. Many other events, cultural events took place. So we were all asked to be in a room. So right from the morning, we waited. He never turned back till the evening also. They provided some snacks and food, and still they asked us to wait in the room. It was a lot of crowd there to see him also. So still we hopefully waited that I'm going to receive the prize from him. So I think around 8 or 8:30 he came. Due to the heavy crowd, we could not even see him. But I was happy that I'm going to receive the award from, the prize from him. But what happened is he gave a speech for a few minutes, and then some other dignitaries also gave a speech, and then they announced the prize for senior category, then sub-senior category, and they all were given the prize. When it came to junior category, they never said anything, and they closed the event. And I was just shocked, and I got very upset. What is this? I've not been given any prize, and I started, crying why I am not given. So since the time up, they just closed the thing without giving for the junior. After all, it's only juniors students, so let us now give them to the school directly. So I just remember that event. Even now I still remember that, and I was very upset that I could not get the prize from Kamal Haasan. I was not able to see him at that age. And then we went back home in the night after my father came there to pick me up. Then they sent that certificates, I think, to the school. Then that was given in the assembly for me, and I received it from the school headmistress. So that was a very interesting event which I always cherish, and now I just laugh at that. And you have also asked me how my composing journey started. I started composing. I think my first composing I did during my college days. I never thought of writing anything. My throat got very much affected, and I was literally on tears that I'm not able to sing anything. So I just, it just came in my mind, and I started singing that way. Nobody knows about that. Even I forgot that later. That was the first composition I did. Then I forgot that. That was in Hamsanandi Ragam. I think that is Inimayana Kural Undru Ketteen. That means I'm just asking the God. I just asked you only a very clear, very pleasing, very good voice for music, very melodious voice. That is the only thing I asked. Why are you not giving me that? Like that, I just wrote rest of the lines. I just followed that. I don't remember that right now. So that flashed my mind in Hamsanandi Ragam. I'll just say that one line, and இனிமையான குரல் ஒன்று கேட்டேன், அதை நீ தாராயோ முருகா. இனிமையான குரல் ஒன்று கேட்டேன், அதை நீ தாராயோ முருகா. This is that song. So that is, then I forgot composing totally. Then in 1990, we released a cassette for devotional songs and Gandha Shashti Kavacham, where I tuned it in 13 ragas the Shashti Kavacham. And my sister, I sang along with my sister Lalita Rani, and we released that cassette in that year. At that time, I wrote some more compositions, which was tuned by me, and other composition. My sister also wrote some lyrics, for which music director Thayan Van did the music for us, including the tune for other songs, which she wrote. After that, once in a way, I will write the songs. But that's how my journey started, and still I'm continuing that. Nowadays, I'm writing more songs, almost. Whenever is possible, I'm just continuing that, all with the grace of God only. It is absolutely grace of God that I'm able to write that. Thank you. My next composition is in Ragam Charukeshi, Aditalam, in praise of Lord Muruga, as Valli Manavala. This song I wrote somewhere in February this year. In Facebook, there are certain groups which I am very much interested always in sharing songs like any other. So sometimes they say that let the particular day share be on a particular raga. So they had chosen Charukeshi on that day. So I thought, why not compose a new song in Charukeshi, because Charukeshi is my favorite ragam. So I thought I would compose a song and share with them. For that purpose, I thought of writing that, and immediately within 2 minutes I wrote the first Pallavi and Anupallavi. Just in 2 minutes it came with ragam Sangadis beautifully with lyrics. Then for Charanam, I just thought for a while. Say in another 5 minutes I completed the song Valli Manavala. So I have chosen to present the same song Valli Manavala as the main song today with Ragam and Swaram Naravan. Thank you so much. Tadari வள்ளி மணவாள வள்ளி மணவாள வள்ளி மணவாள வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள பன்னிருகை வேலா வள்ளி மணவாள शक्ति कुमार पराशक्ति कुमार पराशक्ति कुमार परम शिव शक्ति कुमार परम शिव शक्ति कुमार परम शिव मग दब मग निदब मग सरि गरी मगरी मगरी दब मगरी निसरी सा गरी सा मगरी सा पमगरी सा धनी सा ग ग पमग दब मग निदब मग ग सरि ग गरी रि मगरी रि पमगरी रि दब मगरी रि निसरी सा गरी सा मगरी सा पमगरी सा धनी सा ग मग दब मग निदब मग सरि ग रे 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 मगरी रे पमगरी रे दब मगरी रे निसरी सा गरी सा मगरी सा पमगरी सा धनी सा गरी मग पम द पनि द सा नि रि स गरी गनी सा धनी पद म पग मरि गनी सरि वள்ளி மணவாளா பன்னிருக்கை மணவாளா பன்னிருக்கை வேளா மோதக பிரிய சோதர ஷண்முக மோதக பிரிய சோதகன் ஷண்முக மோதக பிரிய சோதரன் ஷண்முக மோதக பிரிய சோதர ஷண்முக சரவண பவகுக சூரசம்ஹார மோதக பிரிய சோதர ஷண்முக சரவண பவகுக சூரசம்ஹார மோதக பிரிய சோதர ஷண்முக சரவண பவகுக சூரசம்ஹார சங்கீத பிரிய சங்கீத பிரிய சங்கீத பிரிய செந்தமிழேச சங்கீத பிரிய சங்கீத பிரிய செந்தமிழேச 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 சங்கீத பிரிய சங்கீத பிரிய செந்தமிழேச 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 சங்கீத பிரிய சானிதா பொம்மகரி சரரே கமத சங்கீத பிரியம் நிதப சானிதப ரேகமப கமனிதபமா கமபத நிச ரீசனிதபத நிசங்கீத பிரியம் பதமாம பக கமரி ரிகச சரினி நிசத தனித சனி ரிச கரி மக பம தாபனித சானி ரிச கரி சனி பதம பக மரி கச ரேகம பத நி சங்கீத பிரிய தனி பதனி மபதனி கமனி சாரி நிரி சதனித சாதனிதனி பதம பக கமனிர பமகரி பாமகரி ச மகரி சனிதனி தனி சரி கம பதனி பதனி ச கரி சனித பதனி சங்கீத பிரிய சனிதனி தப தபம பமகரி கம பதனி சங்கீத பிரிய தனிச பதனிச மபதனிச கமபதனிச நிசனித சனிதப தப தனி சங்கீத பிரிய சரினி நிசத தனிப பதமம் மபக கமரி ரிகச நிசகரி மக பம தப நித சனி நிசனித பதனி சரி கரி சனித நிசனித சனித மக பதனி பத நிசங்கீத பிரிய Ni za 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 ni za za da ni za za ma da ni za za ga ma ba da ni ma ba da ni za pa da ni za ni ga ni za ni da ni za ni da ba sa ni da ba ma ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni za ni da ba ma ga ni za ni da ni ga ma ba da ni da ba ma ba da ni za ni za da ni sa ni ba da ni da ma ba ga ma ba da ni za sari ni za da ni pa da ma ba ga ma ri ga sari ni za da ni sa ri ga ma ba da ni za ni da ma ga ma ba da ni za sa ni da ma ga ri ga ma ba da ni za da ni ba da ni za ma ba da ni za ni da ma ba da ni za ga ma ba da ni za ri ga ma ba da ni sa ri ga ma ba da ni sa ri ga ma pa ga pa ma da pa ni da sa ni ri ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma ri ga sa ri ni sa ri ga ma ba da ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga ri sa ni da ni ri sa ni da ma ga ma pa da ni sangi de priya sendamene शांत स्वरूप कंद कड़ोबं शांत स्वरूप कंद कड़ोबं शांत स्वरूप कंद कड़ोबं शांत स्वरूप कंद कड़ोबं पमग नवमग निदवमग सरिगरी मगरी पमगरी नवमगरी निसरी स गरी स मगरी स पमगरी स धनी स ग ग पमग ग नवमग ग निदवमग सरि ग गरी रि मगरी रि पमगरी रि नवमगरी रि निसरी स गरी स मगरी स पमगरी स धनी स गरी मग पम द पनि द स नि रि स गरी गनि स धनि पद म पग मरि गनि सरि वळ्ळि मणवाळा पनिर्कै वीरवळ्ळि मणवाळा वळ्ळि मणवाळा वळ्ळि मणवाळा I have a question from Gayatri Pashupati Rangan from Gorgovan. Over to Gayatri.
Good evening, dear ma'am. I am Gayatri Pasupati Rangan from Gurgaon. I am a music and dance student learning Bharatnatyam and did my Arangetram under Kalashri Guru Jayashankar Menon. My parents are Namasankirtanam lovers. I wish to know about your future composing and projects in the pipeline and would request you, will you be planning to do some Namasankirtanam and dance compositions too? Thank you, ma'am.
Hi Gayatri Pashupati Rangan. Nice to hear from you. It's a good question. Yes, I do have plans in future to do Nama Sankirtanams, composing for Nama Sankirtanams and composing for dance too, especially dance Varnams. I would like to compose that. I have plans for that. I have in my mind more kritis, dance Varnams and Tilanas, also Jablis. Then I have plans to do ghazals sort of writings. But my main area will be more on devotional songs, praising gods and goddess. So certainly I do write Nama Sankirtanams. Thank you for the question. I have a question from Durga Uday Gangadhar from Atlanta, USA. Over to Durga.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste. I am Durga Uday Gangadhar from Atlanta, USA. I am actually Sri Yajnaraman Garu's disciple. Here I am equally inquisitive about the art of composing too. You being a composer and performer both, could you please tell us how do you think of lyrics and tune and the process involved? Does it demand spontaneity or sitting and working for long hours, and what first? Is it the lyrics first and the tune later, or the other way? And does this assist you in being spiritually inclined? To say, how does your faith and God belief help you in composing? Please clarify, ma'am. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Hi Durga Uday Gangadhar. Nice to hear from you. I would like to answer your question about composing, which I am doing in what way, what is the process. I would say there is no process or the way that we have to have certain way of doing composing, etc. I believe and feel that it is absolute blessings and the grace of God that one is able to compose the songs, write the lyrics and tune the same and compose the whole song. In that way, there is, I would say, sometimes I get the tune and lyrics together as a flow. It would just come and flash in my mind at any time. There is no time specifically I sit and write mostly. So I get that in my mind. When it comes together, I will try to recollect and remember that, and then I'll make note of it in a notebook, or I will just record it so that later I can recollect and practice the same in the same tune and raga. That is how I compose. Sometimes I stand in front of the God in the temple, and there are occasions where I have sung in front of the goddess a new line with the new tunes which comes there spontaneously. But the beauty is, some of them I remember and I come back home and I write it and then I record it. But certain times, mostly when I sing that, I do a pradakshina, and if the temple is big, the whole pradakshina I will do and come back. While coming back itself, I'll forget all the lyrics and tunes too sometimes. The ragam I remember, but I will forget the lyrics. Many times it has happened like that for me. So it is like that. There are certain times I write the lyrics first and then tune the same subsequently later. But that is comparatively lesser than the way I do getting the lyrics and tune together and then composing that. So both ways it can happen. But as like how you have asked, like first you tune it and then you write the lyrics. That has not happened for me. Maybe it might happen for others. For me, I have not done like that. And you also asked about spirituality, whether it is getting spiritually inclined. Yes, certainly. Because I write only devotional, classical Carnatic kritis kind of songs. So unless one is blessed with grace of God, I feel one cannot compose. So we are not writing, or I am not writing anything on my own. I am made to write by the higher plane, higher divine blessings. So that is for sure. So it helps me a lot in growing spiritually also. So I'm very happy about that. Thank you. I would like to present my next song in praise of Shirdi Sai Baba, Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba. Today being Guru Purnima Day, I would like to sing this song on Shirdi Sai Baba. When I was praying last year, sitting in front of Swami Mandapam, I was reciting slokam, and then I prayed to Shirdi Baba with some slight tears in my eyes because of certain issues going on for a long time without any solution. So I was just praying with Baba to give me some solution, resolve the issues. Then these lines which I had written or composed this flashed in my mind. Along with the tune, the lines just appeared for me in my mind. So I felt very emotionally happy over writing this, that Baba has blessed me. Then, in order not to forget the lines, I just noted down in a paper and notebook, and then also got it recorded. So I would like to present that song now. This is in the Ragam Kalyani Aditala. Padadarisanam padai katida, padadarisanam padai katida, padadarisanam padai katida, padadarisanam padai katida, vazhini tandai விழியால் கண்டேன் சாய் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் சாய் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் சாய் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் ஷீரடி சாயி பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் சத்குரு ஷீரடி சாயி பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட பண்டு நான் செய்த பாபங்களாலே பண்டு நான் செய்த பாபங்களாலே பரிதவிக்கின்றேன் பாரினிலே பண்டு நான் செய்த பாவங்களாலே பரிதவிக்கின்றேன் பாரினிலே பண்டு நான் செய்த பாவங்களாலே பரிதவிக்கின்றேன் பாரினிலே உன் பார்வையொன்றே போதும் பறந்திடும் தீவினையே சாயி சாயி ஷீரடி சாயி ஷீரடி சாயி சாயி பார்வையொன்றே போதும் பறந்திடும் தீவினையே பார்வையொன்றே போதும் பறந்திடும் தீவினையே பிறவி பயல் பிறவே பிறவி பயல் பிறவே பதமலர் பணிந்திடுவேன் பிறவி பயன் பெறவே உன் பதமலர் பணிந்திடுவேன் பாதரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் சாய் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட சாயி சாயி முன்வினை தீர என்னே நீ வருவாய் முன்வினை தீர என்னே நீ வருவாய் வினை சுமை தன்னையே தாங்கிக் கொள்வாய் வினை சுமை தன்னையே தாங்கிக் கொள்வாய் முன்வினை தீர என் முன்னே நீ வருவாய் வினை சுமை தன்னையே தாங்கிக் கொள்வாய் பக்தியில் உன்னை துதிக்கும் பக்தர்க்கு பக்தியில் உன்னை துதிக்கும் பக்தர்க்கு அருவியன அருளும் ஷீரடி சாயி குரு அருவியன அருளும் ஷீரடி சாயி குருவின் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் சாய் பாத தரிசனம் பாதை காட்டிட வழி நீ தந்தாய் விழியால் கண்டேன் ஷீரடி சாயி வழி காட்டிட சாயி ஷீரடி சாயி ஷீரடி சாயி சாயி சாயி. Thank you. My next composition is in praise of Satya Sai Baba, Sadguru Satya Sai Baba. Being Guru Purnima day, I would like to present the song in praise of Satya Sai Baba. This lyrics I wrote in the year 2017, again on the day of Aradhana, Satya Sai Baba Aradhana day. And I was facing some health issues and I was very worried about that. And I pleaded for the blessings of Satya Sai Baba, showing me a way to heal the issues, health problems. And then I wrote this. It came to my mind with the tune, the line scale, not separately the lyrics and then making it as a tune composing. This together it came in my mind, and I wrote that on that day for Satya Sai Baba. I would like to present that now. That is also in Kalyani Ragam. Since both the Sai Baba, I felt some sort of emotional thing that is coming bhakti in this Kalyani Ragam for Sai Baba. I chose the same Kalyani Ragam actually for Shiradi Baba as well as Satya Sai Baba. So now I will sing that now. Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Undan Karunai Viri Sollume Vazhingal. Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Undan Karunai Viri Sollume Vazhingal. Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Undan Karunai Viri Sollume Vazhingal. Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Karunai Viri Sollume Vazhingal. Sai Baba, தினமும் கவனித்து என் இதயத்தில் மனமுருகி, தினமும் கவனித்து நம் இதயத்தில் மனமுருகி, பாபாவை வேண்டியே தியானம் செய்திடவே, பாபாவை வேண்டியே தியானம் செய்திடவே, தினமும் கவனித்து நம் இதயத்தில் மனமுருகி, பாபாவை வேண்டியே தியானம் செய்திடவே, பாபாவும் மனமுருகி அருள்மழை பொழிந்திட, பாபாவும் மனமுருகி அருள்மழை பொழிந்திட, வாழ்க்கையும் வளம் பெறும் வை வையகம் வாழ்ந்திடும் வாழ்க்கையும் வளம் பெறும் வையகம் வாழ்ந்திடும் சாயி பாபா சத்ய சாயி பாபா உந்தன் கருணை விழி சொல்லுமே வழியுங்கள் சாயி பாபா சத்ய சாயி பாபா உந்தன் கருணை விழி சொல்லுமே வழியுங்கள் சாயி பாபா உன் பாத தரிசனம் தினசரி தொழுதிட உன் பாத தரிசனம் தினசரி தொழுதிட உன் பாத தரிசனம் தினசரி தொழுதிட திடமுடன் தினமுடன் தனமுடன் வாழ்ந்திட தினமுடன் தனமுடன் திடமுடன் வாழ்ந்திட சாயி பாபா நாம் திடமுடன் தினமுடன் தனமுடன் வாழ்ந்திட சாயி பாபா சத்ய சாயி பாபா உந்தன் கருணை விழி சொல்லுமே வழி எங்கள் சாயி பாபா சாயி பாபா சாயி பாபா சாயி பாபா I have a question from Priyadarshini from Hyderabad. Over to Priyadarshini.
Namaste ma'am. I am Priyadarshini from Hyderabad and my guru is Srimati Ambujam Sai Garu. Can you please tell us about how do you feel while performing your own compositions for the first time? Thank you ma'am.
Hi Priyadarshini, happy to hear from you. I would answer your question. It's really very interesting to answer that. I feel very happy while singing my compositions, especially my joy knew no bounds when I first performed my compositions, and I'm very thankful to Ekiraman sir for giving me the opportunity for the first time to present my compositions earlier. And this is also a first time composition in Facebook live and YouTube live. So in that way, I feel immensely happy, while singing my compositions. And not only that, it gives a sort of, divine blessings to feel blessed while singing my own compositions, because while writing the lyrics also, I felt highly blessed to write such lyrics and tune the same. So similarly, when it is coming as a live performance of my own compositions, especially for the first time, I feel really extremely blessed to perform that. So that is my feelings. Thank you and namaste. I am concluding this with the song in the Ragam Saraswati in praise of Goddess Mahalakshmi, which I have composed in Adi Talam. This song I wrote the lyrics for this year Vasanta Navaratri, I was singing every day with Ragam, song, Naraval and Swaram on all the 9 days. Various Devis, Sharada, Saraswati and Ambal, Parashakti, Parvati, so many other forms of Devi. So Mahalakshmi, I wanted to write a song on that and then present that. So this same thing I would like to sing now, which I composed for that Vasanta Navaratri. Something which I wanted to see, like Mahalakshmi Kriti in Saraswati Raga. That combination I wanted to try, so I just did. Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhaktar ki rangidum Karuna Kadachi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhaktar ki rangidum Karuna Kadachi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhaktar ki rangidum Karuna Kadachi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi. Vishnu Patni Varalakshmi, Vishnu Patni Varalakshmi, Vishnu Patni Varalakshmi, Vishnu Patni Varalakshmi, Venduvaram Tarum Vasudarini, Venduvaram Tarum Vasudarini, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi, Bhaktar ki rangidum Karuna Kadakshi, Bhagyalakshmi, Saubhagyalakshmi. Narananayagi Nalam Tarum Dayini, Narananayagi Nalam Tarum Dayini, Narananayagi Nalam Tarum Dayini, Narananayagi Nalam Tarum Dayini, Nalvazhi kaatidum Hasini Suhasini, Nalvazhi kaatidum Hasini Suhasini, Srinivasan Marbilurai Sridevi, Srinivasan Marbilurai Sridevi, Srinivasan Marbilurai Sridevi, Varam Tarum பாக்யலக்ஷ்மி பக்தர்க்கு இறங்கிடும் கருணா கடாட்சி பாக்யலக்ஷ்மி சௌபாக்யலக்ஷ்மி பாக்யலக்ஷ்மி சௌபாக்யலக்ஷ்மி சௌபாக்யலக்ஷ்மி பாக்யலக்ஷ்மி உருவாய் அருவாய் உளதாய் இலதாய் உருவாய் அருவாய் உளதாய் இலதாய் மறுவாய் மலராய் மணியாய் ஒளியாய் மறுவாய் மரலாய் மணியாய் ஒளியாய் கருவாய் உயிராய் கதியாய் விதியாய் குருவாய் வருவாய் அருள்வாய் குகனே குகனே ஆறிரு தடந்தோள் வாழ்க ஆறுமுகம் வாழ்க வெப்பை ஆறிரு தடந்தோள் வாழ்க ஆறுமுகம் வாழ்க வெப்பை கூரிசை தனிவேல் வாழ்க குக்குடம் வாழ்க செவ்வேல் ஏறிய மஞ்சை வாழ்க யானை தன் அணங்கை வாழ்க ஏறிய மங்கை வாழ்க யானை தன் அணங்கை வாழ்க மாறிலா வழி வாழ்க வாழ்க சீரடியாரெல்லாம் மாறிலா வள்ளி வாழ்க வாழ்க சீரடியாரெல்லாம் வாழ்க சீரடியாரெல்லாம் வாழ்க சீரடியாரெல்லாம். Thank you so much. I thank Sri Agyaraman sir for giving me this opportunity to present these compositions as a concert, giving me this platform, and I'm very thankful for the same. And once again, I thank Ramayas for giving me this opportunity to show this as a live in Facebook page as well as YouTube channel live, premiere live. Thank you, sir. And I am thankful to the great audience for sending all the interactive question and answer sessions, and that was all really interesting questions to answer. I enjoyed answering all those questions. Thank you, audience, for the same, and I thank all the audience for patiently listening to my concerts, and I pray for everyone. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.